Nausheen.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to our channel.
Muslim parenting in the West, and Ramadan Mubarak to all of you.
On this video, we wanted to share a few things that we are doing this year to give our home a Ramadan feel and make it special for our little ones.
Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you have been finding any value from all of our videos.
Safa has been looking forward to decorating the house for Ramadan. She's been, ever since the holiday season, she's been seeing lights outside, so that's what she's been always asking for. So we did purchase these lights with the stars that can be plugged in. We also purchased a couple of battery-powered lights that we wrapped around our trees, and we'll leave a link to all of our lights that we've been using in the description box below.
We're almost done with the Ramadan Advent calendar, where each drawer will have a task for Safa each day during Ramadan, and she will get a small reward for completing these tasks. Now, we did cover as to how we made the Advent calendar, and we will leave a link for that video on the show description as well. We'll be posting the specific tasks for Safa as well as rewards on our Instagram page at Our Muslim Home. So please be sure to follow us there.
For the past couple years, we have bought and have been gifted a number of Islamic books. So we do keep these on display for Safa, so it encourages her to reach for these books during Ramadan.
Safa has also been spending time making Ramadan cards for her friends, family, and even our local town librarians. These cool pop-out Ramadan-specific stickers were available through Michael's.
Please share with us activities and projects that you do at home with your little ones to make Ramadan exciting. We hope and pray that you all have a peaceful and safe Ramadan.
Please keep our family in your prayers during this month of mercy, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel and share your comments with us.
Until next time.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.